Bonjour, namaste, and a big hello. Today I'm taking you on a culinary journey toward the most iconic delicacy from the hill of Bhimtal and Nanika. To begin with, we are here at the famous pastry and cafe shop called Brownie, in Bhimtal, which is located just opposite at the Birla Institute of Applied Science.
Brownies is your one stop food hub, where every craving is covered from cakes, pies, and tarts to inventive sandwiches, burgers, and savory delights. Not to mention an irresistible selection of freshly baked breads and crisps, butter biscuits with a menu as diverse as your appetite. There's something to satisfy everyone.
क्या क्या नाम क्या क्या फेमस है
यहाँ पे देखते हैं बहुत जगह हैं ये केक है पेस्ट्रियाँ हैं और स्टिक्स हैं पेस्ट बहुत जगह हैं यहाँ पे वो है स्नैक्स है और
और
इसकी भी यहाँ पे लगभग 10 साल बाद
The shop is great.
10 साल हो गए दुकान को
I'll take an interview. Actually, he has to do some projects.
ओके ओके वो होता है
School projects on.
वो चीज के है और इसको आप इंडिया जो वो है वैली है और प्रोफाइल है चॉकलेट पे
the moment of truth. I got two showstoppers here, the blueberry cheesecake and the chocolate biscuit cheesecake. Let's dig in. The blueberry cheesecake looks divine, with perfect balance of tangy and sweet. The chocolate biscuit cheesecake is calling my name. The crispy biscuit base is so tempting. This blueberry cheesecake is absolutely perfect.
Just ask.
And you are a regular.
regular. Yeah. I come here almost every week, if not in 10 days. I come here. And I love their breads, like soft wala rusks, they're very good. And also, all are good. They're eclair, what do you call donuts are good. Rumble, I like most of it. Apple pie is really good over here. So it's like, yeah, I come here very often.
Kids and adults alike can't get enough of brownies, irresistible offerings. So don't miss out, visit today and discover your new favorite treat.
Next in line, we are at Zenpuncha, which is famous for its Japanese, Chinese, and Korean cuisine.
Good Chetan.
So yeah, so I'm the manager here in Janyamcha. So Janyamcha is like our restaurant is like for Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. So like are famous in Chinese, Korean, and Japanese. You can go for like panda bowl and chicken ramen bowl. We have sushi. Sushi including like veg, non-veg. We have. So, like in momos also we have dumplings, momos, soup, like ramen bowl. So most of our customers they prefer ramen bowl, sushi, and tender bowl. Those are the famous. Like even we do have noodles, rice.
So, like, this is the only Japanese cuisine restaurant in the whole Kumau.
Yeah.
So, what are the customer preferences in this restaurant?
The customer preference now, so like I said before that, yes, sushi. So people doesn't know more about sushi in this Kamau regions. So they come and they live the sushi that like for them that's the first like
Thank you, Stefan. If you really want to have a Japanese or Korean taste, please come in Zen. So I have ordered on chef's recommendation veg ramen and lime soda. So let's dig in. The smell is amazing. With the first sip of this amazing soup, my taste buds are activated. It's absolutely devouring. Huh?
Yum Cha is an absolute delight for lovers of Japanese, Korean, and Chinese dishes that promise a flavor explosion in every bite. Whether it's the savory ramen or the sweet mochi, each item on the menu takes your taste buds on an unforgettable journey. It's a must visit for anyone seeking Asian fusion experience.
That's a wrap, folks. Hope you enjoyed the food adventure with me. I'll catch you in the next one.